Steel Mama specializes in the development of roll-forming machines. This video shows the production process of a high-quality 3-layer roll-forming machine. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. This machine uses chromium coatings to enhance roller longevity and precision. This machine works extremely efficiently, can reduce manufacturing costs, and shortens lead times. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. Thank you, customers, for your trust. Steel Mama always give you proper solution.